Hi guys.
I have a solution to age-old question how to switch between Chrome tabs using keyboard shortcuts. Have a look at this magic. I will explain how to configure this tab switcher. First of all, go to Chrome Web Store and look for Switch Tabs shortcut. Install it. Now go to any tab and configure tab key. For example, it will be B. You can go to another window and YouTube will be this one, TikTok will be T, and for example, Instagram will be E. And that's it. Enjoy browsing with super fast and effective tab switching. Instagram, YouTube. Use keyboard for quick switching. Blank page. YouTube. Pro user tips. Hold shortcut to refresh the tab after the navigation. Let's go to YouTube and hold Y. You see, it's reloaded. Use reserved back key to go to the previously opened tab. By default, it's Q. Switch even between different Chrome windows. Let's go to the page on window number 1. It's blank page. Let's go to the page on window number 2. It's, for example, Facebook. That's it. Switching between windows is implemented like switching between tabs in different windows. And yes, of course, it works perfectly on Mac too. Enjoy using our app and find all links in the description. Thank you and bye bye.